last time on Salt the Snow. Storm Ezekiel set the perfect stage for me to accomplish exactly what I've set out to do. We just chased the elements.
First night. Opening weekend and straight VIP status. So just had a pivotal moment in the trip.
I said, I guess I'm going to Mammoth. And I drove up there on the 395 with just a smile on my face. Because I'm having a blast just driving up to Mammoth, doing this 300-mile drive. Now, I've been planning doing these trips for about 8 months, budgeting for them and finding the cheapest ways to travel, which I'll be happy to teach you how to do too as well. Once again, under the tutorial section on my channel. So chains were required once I started to get up into the Sierras. But I got my front wheel drive Hyundai Accent for a reason. This thing was a trooper. It made it all the way up, no chains needed, but at least I had them in the car. And when I got to the hostel, Holiday Hoss.
This place is sick, dude.
$37 a night. I couldn't believe it. Walking distance from the Village Gondola. I had the place to myself for the first 3 nights. It was amazing.
M shared. There we go, doggy.
Matt, thank you for choosing Modern Hostel. You're welcome.
Got the place to myself.
The first day in Mammoth, the coverage was great. There was no one there. I talked to a lift operator who said, normally there's 20,000 people. On this day, there was 1,600 on the whole entire mountain. I just took full advantage of having the place to myself. I filmed some footage for the promo that I released earlier this month for Salt to Snow. Man, Salt to Snow. You know, I'm gonna take you guys from the oceans to the mountains. Follow me, make sure to subscribe. Got a lot of more stuff coming. Another storm came in after Ezekiel, and it just dumped. And the next 3 days were unreal.
I'm packing my things away. It's time I up and moved out. Appreciate everything you've done, but I have to take my own route. It wouldn't be the first time your words were stuck in my head. You said I'd amount to nothing, but I'm here to tell y'all just what's on my mind. I don't need no plan B, and I ain't trying to waste all my time. Cause I'm the only one who can stop me, even though I walk that fine.
Once again, no one there, place to myself, Powder Fest.
It gets stronger with the ocean breeze. It passes me by. I'm right where I'm supposed to be. I know it's my time. Let go and fly.
Amazing.
So on the third night, I was hanging out with some of the people in the hostel, and all of a sudden someone runs in and says, "What do you do if there's a bear on your car?" So we all ran out there, and this was crazy. Take a look.
Look at this. A little mammoth bear. He's got your Cheez-Its, man. That's what he's got. Dude, he's pretty big. Is he? Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. He is in the car.
He didn't go inside.
He's
there.
inside the car, dude.
You're kidding me.
He is inside.
He took off the car?
No, he's inside. Look at
Oh,
it.
shit.
Make sure to click to watch the next episode.